Today is all going to be about how to be the best champion of change practically. To be a champion of change, one of the very first things that we gotta make sure we work on is our communication. What does being a champion of change mean to you? Who is a champion of change in your life? And communication is many things. It's not only words, it's also body language, how you respond, but it's also how you listen. In our keynote, we talked about many of us in this room, there's some form of insecurity, some form of thing we have to let go in order for us to be the best champion of change that we could be. I want you to share with your partner what that was for you. And so as a champion of change, not only are we looking at your communication, how you talk and how you listen, but now we have to move on to one of the biggest phases, which is how you act. Because Jose and I, we're testing one thing. We're gonna test to see whether you give it your all in this round. As a champion of change, you're gonna be asked to do many things. All we wanna see is if you're gonna give it your all. Even if it's a little awkward, even if you feel weird, even if you haven't done this in a long time, I want you to give it your all. That's all we ask. And we're all Team HOSA, okay?